In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddles on both Windows and mobile platforms. Slack Huddles are an efficient way to quickly connect with your team for real-time conversations. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, Slack makes it easy to engage in voice and video dialogues without the hassle of setting up a formal meeting. To get started on your Windows desktop, first you'll need to open the Slack application. Once inside your Slack workspace, navigate to the channel or direct message where you'd like to initiate the huddle. Keeping your eyes on the bottom left corner of the screen near the message box, you'll notice a headphone icon. This is your go-to for starting a huddle. Clicking on Start a Huddle will activate this feature, and Slack will automatically notify all members in that particular channel or message that the huddle is live. After initiating the huddle, you have several functionalities at your disposal to enhance your communication. For instance, you can mute and unmute yourself by simply clicking the microphone icon. If a video call suits your needs better, you can easily turn on your camera to share video during the session. Presenting documents or cheekily sharing your screen is a breeze. Just use the screen sharing option available on your desktop. Once your discussion is wrapped up, you can effortlessly leave the huddle by clicking the Leave button. Inviting others into your Slack huddle is straightforward too. If you're on your desktop, you'll see an Invite button within the huddle interface, which allows you to bring more teammates into the session. On mobile devices, you have the same option under the Add People feature in the huddle interface, ensuring you can expand your conversation regardless of your device. For a seamless huddle experience, keeping a few additional tips in mind can be beneficial. Firstly, Slack Huddles auto-connect audio, so it's a good idea to check your microphone and headphones before initiating. This way, you avoid any echo or audio glitches as soon as others join. Following up on discussions can always be challenging, so consider using Slack's threads or pins to organize thoughts and action points post-huddle. Remember, Slack huddles are intentionally lightweight and don't require calendar invitations unless you're anticipating a lengthy session, making them perfect for spontaneous touchpoints. With this guide, you're all set to leverage Slack huddles effectively, ensuring smooth, productive collaboration with your team anytime, anywhere.